Hey guys, welcome to my channel. XGamarians here, bringing you a quick tutorial on how to uninstall the new Microsoft Edge Chromium Edition. Just a small heads up before we get into the tutorial. I'm sorry for any bad English, grammar, spelling you may encounter in this video, as I'm not a native speaker of the language, but I'm doing the best I can. So with that out of the way, let's get into the tutorial. As you can see, I already got the Microsoft Edge Chromium Edition installed on my PC. So how can we get rid of it? First, you'll navigate to this PC, your C drive or any other drive you installed your Windows upon, Program Files 86, navigate to your Microsoft folder, Edge, and finally Application. There you will find a folder with a bunch of numbers. These numbers represent your current Microsoft Edge version installed on your Windows. Simply right click, rename, and copy it. Then exit from this window. Then head to the Start button, right click and hit Run. A window will open in which we will type CMD, then OK. When the command prompt window open, simply copy and paste a bunch of commands that I will leave in the description below. The first command will contain a question mark in which we will delete and paste the numbers that we copied from the Microsoft folder. Copy the first command, then head to the command prompt and paste it, and hit enter. Also, we will copy the second command, paste it, and also enter. As you can see, a pop-up appears asking if we want to uninstall Microsoft Edge. Also, there is a checkbox if we want to clear our browsing data. Simply click on the checkbox and click on Install. As you can see, Microsoft Edge has finally been uninstalled and reverted back to its original state. So guys, this is how you uninstall Microsoft Edge Chromium Edition. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, share it with your friends who may benefit from it, and hey, you could always subscribe.